That's another lineup from Dunkin' Donut, and today is going to be the Rocky Road Cloud Iced Latte. I'm going to be using some marshmallow, decoded, powdered sugar. These marshmallows, it's just going to be a garnish. I'm probably not going to eat it because when I tell you it's giving rock, it's giving stone. Got me heavy whipping cream. Inside of here, I actually have my milk I'm going to use to make my coffee, but I also have 2 of the golden Oreos as well as the 2 of the regular Oreos because I want that taste infused in the milk. You don't have to do it, but I did. This is actually some toasted almonds that I chopped up. I have my brown butter, extra white chocolate, a regular chocolate. I need my salt, almond extract. Also have my toasted marshmallow. This is 0 calories. And I also have my espresso as well as coffee ice. Also too, I have a packet of, this is just regular coffee. When I tell you I love these little packets, so I'm going to use one of these and then like instead of 2 spoons or 3 spoonfuls like I usually do, I'm just going to use one of these and you'll see. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I'm gonna get started. Okay, I have my strainer over a bowl. I'm gonna pour the milk that I have infused in here. Discard that. Alright, I'm gonna taste some of my milk. I'm tasting a little bit, yeah. I'm tasting some type of chocolate taste in here. Yeah, I'm gonna transfer this back to the cup. Do not follow me. I'm gonna put in my coffee first, then espresso. Really don't matter what order. Right. Now I'm gonna pour on 1 of the espresso. I'm gonna put a half. It's strong, so you don't need that much. Okay, I'm gonna put a half a teaspoon of this toasted marshmallow. And then a half a teaspoon of my brown butter as well. It may not smell like brown butter, it smells good like cookie dough. Ain't changed that, need a cookie dough. Alright, this time I'm gonna use my regular chocolate, but I'm probably gonna do half a teaspoon. So I want majority of that white chocolate. If you wanna put more, you can, but I'm not. It's a tablespoon of salt. Hell. Alright, I coated my cup with marshmallow flour. I also wanna put some white chocolate on it. Kind of like want to do the back of the spoon, but it might fall. Oh, it's falling. Let me go ahead and drink to this, girl. I want to run on the side a little bit. Do I want to put regular chocolate? Not really. I feel a little bit. Put this on the side too. Alright, I'm gonna sit this upside down in the freezer to let it like harden up. Like, alright, I made the marshmallow cold foam. I don't have that much marshmallow, so I'm just gonna use the last bit of this and put a little bit of my toasted marshmallow in here. Powdered sugar still. Hey, you overdid. Not too much. And my cold foam. Slap in the face, ain't it? I'm gonna put like a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna shake this if I can find salt. Alright, I'll shake it out. This is my cold foam. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble. This is how I look once I froze it upside down. It's giving s'mores, but with almonds. Alright, I have coffee ice. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and pour on my coffee. That's all good about. I'm sorry, I don't think it's gonna be enough because I'll be drinking it sometime. You know, when I've been tasting it. Alright, where's my cold foam? Hey, where did I put that cold foam at? Oh. I forgot I put my cold foam inside of the mom. I'm like, where's my cold foam? In here? Alright, and I'll put the almonds on top. It's giving s'mores with almonds on it. I actually got s'more iced latte on my channel, so make sure you check that out, Lord's will. My child be forgetting what it tastes. Now you say bad boy, nah, good boy. I don't want nothing bad. Oh, we just sit there because nah, life and death is in the power of the tongue. Gotta be careful what you say. It's like a chocolate almond drink. You taste the chocolate, but it's not like overpowering because you know I don't like white chocolate. But due to the fact that I use the white chocolates as well, and then the Oreo, you can't tell like the milk is Oreo. Like okay, they got Oreos in here and everything, but you can tell like it's like chocolate, not because of the color, but because of the taste. Like chocolate is in here. Yeah, you get that and you get that almond. Only from the little almonds that's like chopped up, but like the almond taste from the extract. The marshmallow, you taste it mainly with the cold foam. The marshmallow that I put in the bottom of it, you know, only put like what, half a teaspoon, so you can't really tell as much. But from the cold foam, yes, just give it s'mores with almond in it. And you definitely taste the coffee because coffee ice did not use the coffee. This is good though. And I did use a lot of that white chocolate, but you still, I don't know, it's just maybe because I just soaked it. Like I know people like, what you expect? You soaked it with the chocolate cookies, put chocolate sauce in it. I'll give it 9.9. But for a person that really love chocolate, they're rated 10. 10 off that, baby. But due to the fact, it's a 9.9 for me. Rocket! Drinking this, I feel like I'm in the ring, right? Get it? Because Rocky, you in the road, he in the ring. They still fighting. Girl, where you come up with this stuff? Have a blessed day.
A few moments later.
And why nobody remind me to put the marshmallows on? Can I depend on y'all for anything?